If you were hoping for another cut in your home loan EMI, you will have to wait a little longer. The RBI has kept the repo rate unchanged at 5.25% in its latest Monetary Policy Committee meeting. The decision comes after assessing domestic economic conditions, inflation trends, and global uncertainties. So, what does this mean for your home loan? For most borrowers, the immediate answer is not much. Since most home loans are linked to benchmarks such as the repo rate, your EMI is likely to remain unchanged for now. Since the policy rate hasn't moved, banks are also expected to keep lending rates broadly stable unless liquidity conditions change significantly. For those with fixed-rate home loans, there is no immediate impact either. While there is no fresh relief this time, borrowers have already benefited significantly over the past year. Since early 2025, the RBI has cut the repo rate by a cumulative 125 basis points. That has reduced borrowing costs for many floating-rate home loans. So should home buyers be worried? Not really. A stable interest rate environment gives borrowers greater certainty while planning long-term finances. Home loan rates are still hovering around 7% to 7.25% for many eligible borrowers, making borrowing cheaper than it was a few years ago. Industry experts say the RBI now appears focused on ensuring that past rate cuts are fully passed on by banks rather than rushing into another reduction. If you already have a floating rate home loan, your EMI is likely to stay where it is. If you are planning to buy a home, the current rate environment remains relatively favorable. And if your existing loan carries a much higher interest rate, you could also consider refinancing or making part prepayments to reduce your overall interest burden over time. For now, the outlook remains stable, but there are risks on the horizon. Global uncertainty, higher fuel prices, and rising input costs are keeping inflation under pressure. The RBI has now raised its inflation forecast for FY27 to 5%. For now, though, there is no fresh relief, but no fresh burden either. Borrowers can continue to benefit from the lower rates delivered over the past year while enjoying a period of stability. Follow Business Standard for more stories.